Let's talk about Lesson 7, Activity 3. So say we're told that the list price of a stove is $278 and the chain discount is $20.15. What's the final net price? So there's more than one way to approach this problem. I'm going to show you the way that makes more sense to me. I believe your textbook shows you an alternate method. So if you don't like my way, go read the textbook and you might prefer that. So I'm going to set it up like this. I know I'm solving for net price, so I start by pulling out my net price equation. Net price is equal to list price multiplied by net price rate. Okay, so what is a net price rate? Net price rate is going to be the multiplying the complements of my chain discount rates. I'm going to multiply the complements of my chain discount rates. So what does that mean? If my chain discount rates are 20.15, I take their complements, so 100 minus 20 will give me 80. 100 minus 15 will give me 85. So I've got the complements, and now I multiply them together. Okay, so the complement of 20% is 80%. I convert it to a decimal. So I end up with 0.80 times 0.85, which is 0.68. So I take this number, my net price rate, and I multiply it by the list price. The list price was given to me as $278. So now to find the net price, all I do is take $278 and I multiply it by 0.68, and that gives me $189.04. So again, to find list price, or to find net price, I took list price and I multiplied it by the net price rate. I found the net price rate by multiplying the complements of the chain discount rates. Let's do another one. So the list price of a Finch electric iron is $62. The company is offering a chain discount of 30% less 10%. What's the final net price of the iron? We'll work this the same way. So net price is going to be equal to list price multiplied by net price rate. Now I already know that my list price is $62, but I still need my net price rate. My net price rate is found by multiplying the complements of my chain discounts. Complement means I take 100 minus the number. So the complement of 30% is 70%. The complement of 10% is 90%. So I convert these into decimals and I multiply them together. 0.70 times 0.90 is 0.630. So that's my net price rate. So finally, to find net price, I take $62, multiply it by 0.630, and I get $39.06. So one final time on that, to find the net price, given the list price and chain discounts, I multiply the list price by the net price rate. The net price rate is the complement of my chain discounts, and complement just means I take the number and I subtract it from 100.